Hey, I'm Bruce with Trick Tools. Today I want to show you our mobile pedestal base and our vise and grinder pedestal. These are all part of our VersaMount system. There's a lot of different components to that, but it's all done in order to help our customers use their tools more efficiently and use their space more efficiently. So first thing I want to show you is the base of this pedestal. So for guys that are really tired of having to bolt things to the floor or run from their work over to the wall where the tools might be, this allows you to put a pedestal, have a good heavy duty platform, and be able to still move it around. So this mounting, the mobile base itself is made out of 1/8" plate steel. Underneath it's got 1/4" gussets. It's really heavy and it's made so that you stand on it to really secure it into place. The rubber feet on the bottom keep it rock solid while you're trying to work on something. So it's not going to go anywhere. At the same time, it tips up real easy. Makes your vise, your grinder, whatever you've got in mind, put it right where you want it next to the job. So the pedestal can obviously be used just as a standalone pedestal like you see here. If you want to bolt it to the floor, use it as a fixed pedestal, that's fine. It's got a universal mounting plate on top, so it fits a lot of different grinders and vices. It may not fit everything exactly, but we really designed this stuff to be able to easily customize it. Drill your own hole if you need to. You can most likely use 2 or 3 of the holes, and maybe you have to drill 1 to get your vise to bolt on perfectly. But that's what this stuff is really good for. So this fits our multi-tool grinder. It fits a lot of the different Wilton vices. You can put a bench grinder, a lot of different tools on there. We also have some different pedestals here. This is for the Bailey TN250 notcher. This is our universal mount ped. These both bolt directly onto the mobile base. We have adapters and different tools you can use on these pedestals. Our multi-use ped is really good. It has an adapter plate so it can be bolted straight to like JMR notchers, Beverly shears, Roper Whitney punches, or shrinker stretchers, lots of different ideas. So you can move things around the shop easily and have a good clear and open area around your tool to be able to work, and you're not limited by being up against a wall or bolted to a workbench that way. So again, part of our VersaMount line, a lot of different simple things just to help you get up and running and use your stuff more efficiently. Check out our website for more information, Trick-Tools.com, and thanks for watching.